Hello friends, so this is a walkthrough video of SerpScaler.com, which is an amazing platform using which you can create lead gen sites in just 3 or 4 clicks. Let me show you how SerpScaler looks like. So this is our SerpScaler dashboard, and here are a lot of options. Here you will get to know how many credits you have. Here you will know how many single location sites you have created, how many multi-location sites you have created here, and how many sites you have deployed, and how many clouds account you have connected with it. And here it will show you recent activity, recent websites that you have made. And then here is a profile option using where you can change your current password. And then settings options, here you can add your Netlify tokens. Okay, and here credits, where you can see your credit balance, you can check the transaction history, and also purchase. If you want to purchase more credits, you can purchase it here. Okay, and firstly, what we have to do is, before creating any site, we have to connect our Netlify and AWS account here. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you how to connect AWS account, and it is a bit big work. You can check it here how you can get AWS credentials. Okay, we will only collect Netlify tokens in this video. So for Netlify token, we will go on netlify.com. You have to go here, sign up. If you already have account, you can sign in it. Okay, then you will get dashboard. After that, in the left bottom corner, you will find something like this. Go on user settings. After user settings, click on two-factor auth, OAuth. You have to click on OAuth, and then personal access tokens. In personal access token, create a new token. Okay, we will name it demo. Make sure to add no expiration date, because if you add an expiration date, let's suppose 7 days, after 7 days the token will get expired, and then our tool will not work. You will waste your credits and the tool will give you errors. So make sure to do it no expiration and then generate token. It will generate a token for you. Just copy it, come here, refresh it, come here, and in settings, name it anything that you want, like name it the email of the account, so that you can remember which email, which Netlify token is of which account. Okay, we will add token here. Great, it is successfully added. And now we will go and create new site. So the create new site have 3 options. I will tell you each what each is. Okay, what every option is. So firstly, this is a single location site. In this single location site, you can create a site on just a single location. Okay, there can be multiple services, but the location is only one. That's was Houston, Texas, or Sugarland, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas. Just the city or location will be only one. Okay, so to create one, what we have to do is, we have to first do some research. So to do some research, we will go on ChatGPT, which is our AI friend, of course. So we will ask it some things like, we are not gonna make site on 24-hour plumber, licensed electrician, those like big services. We will go narrow services. Let's suppose we will ask it, tell me services under turf. Okay, it will gonna tell me all the services which come under turf. The turf installation, artificial grass installation. Okay, you can select artificial grass installation, which is a good service. Okay, so we will select turf installation. Turf installation, I'm going to refresh it. Turf installation, I will add in service name turf installation, and in city we will say it, give me cities in US which have population of around 50K, and turf should be popular. Okay, we are not going to target big cities having 2 lakh 3 lakh search volume. We are gonna search cities having 50,000 or 1 lakh population only. Okay, so we are gonna go for McKinney, Texas. So it's a 200K. We will not gonna go for this. I want 50K. So Danville, CA is a good choice. Danville, CA. Turf installation. Okay, Danville zip code. We'll search for it on Google. 94506. 94506. And then phone number, we can add any number here. So, okay, and related services, we will add 5 to 6 related services here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will just remove all the new lines. There's only one, will not replacement, removal, labeling, only labeling. Okay, so we have added 5 services here. You can just add 5 to 10 services, not more than that. Okay, select network account which you want to deploy it on, and then just create campaign. It will start creating your site. Okay, till the time it is creating, we will check other options, what all the other options are. Okay, let's go here, create new site, and then let's suppose multi-location. In this, what the single location site does is it create website on single location. But now the what multi-location site option does is it create a site on multiple location, a single site targeting tens of hundreds of locations. Okay, so it will also use a credit for a location. We will try to make it more cheaper, but currently it costs $1 for a location. Let's suppose AC repair, Houston, Texas, TX, Dallas, Texas, okay, Austin, Texas, Sugarland, Texas. I am just adding random names of big cities. You have to add the micro cities having 50,000, 60,000 look population. Okay. So what this tool will create is this will create a single website which will target all these services, all this location on this main services and this related services. Okay. But what my recommendation is, you should create multiple single site. Like if you want to create site for 3 locations on AC repair, you should create it one by one, like single website for AC repair Dallas, that then website for AC repair Dallas, Austin, and then third website for AC repair Sugarland, other than created a multi-location site. Okay, so it is for multi-location. Now what is bulkation? It is a mind-blowing thing. Okay, let me tell you. Now what bulkation does is, as I told you, rather than creating multi-location site, you can create 3 sites for AC repair for 3 locations. Okay, so if you are gonna do it with single location site option, you first create first site for Dallas, and second site for Sugarland, and third site for Houston. This will take up your lot of time. So this option will save you lot of time. Service name, let's suppose add turf installation, turf installation, add related services. Okay, remove all the things, and then add cities here with zip code. Make sure to add zip code. If you not add zip code, this will add a random zip code of 0000, which will not rank on Google. Chicago, IL, okay, Sugarland, Texas, zip code here, okay, and then Dallas, Texas, zip code here. Okay, you can add any number of sites here. It will cost 3 credits. Okay, as this is going to create 3 sites. So we'll add phone number here. Two, you can add 2 to 3 phone numbers here, only 2 phone number, not more than that, 2 to 3. What it will do is it will randomly add the phone numbers on the site. Let's suppose this on this on the last site. It will randomly add the phone numbers. It will repeat the phone numbers, but it will be randomly repeating the phone numbers. Then you have to select the Netlify account, which is demo, and then preview sites. Here you will see which service is gonna for which city and which phone number is used for which city. Currently it is not showing city and state. This is a something of bug. I will solve it. Don't, it's not an issue. Okay, after adding this thing, just you have to click on create site. It will start creating sites, 3 sites on these locations. Turf installation for Chicago IL, for Sugarland IE, Sugarland Texas, Glass Texas. These will be 3 different sites. I will recommend you to use this rather than multi-location site. Okay, this will work better as I have my own experience with this tool. Okay, so let's see how our site is made. So you can see here it is showing failed to create campaign, but don't get into panic after getting the error. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Go on single page site. Okay, you will see here the site is getting created. Only on the front end the site is showing some sort of error, but in the back end it is creating. So wait for 4 to 5 minutes and then check if the site is getting made. Okay, so just click on view details. Here you will get to see all the information of the site. Okay, now after getting the site, you can change anything, meta title, meta description, zip code, or anything that you want to, CTA text, anything you want. Okay, and the next step is to add our search console meta verification script. Here many people are getting problem. Okay, let me tell you how to do this. You have to go on search console, Okay, let's go here. Start now. Okay, after start now, you have to click here and then click on add property. After clicking on add property, you have to go on URL prefix. On inside URL prefix, you have to copy the URL from here. Okay, let's copy the URL from here and add it here. We will continue it. Click on continue. Okay, and then make sure to go on HTML tag. Inside HTML tag, copy this HTML tag and go on our tool, add it here, and then save changes. What most of the people are doing is they're just clicking on save changes and then going here and then verifying it. It will not get verified. After clicking on save changes or after doing any change here, after save changes, you have to click on deploy site. It will redeploy the site and then the code will get replaced on the live website. Okay, now it is redeployed. Okay, now let's verify this. Verifying this may take a minute. See, it's verified. Make sure to click on the deploy site button. So that's all for the today walkthrough video. If you have any question, drop down the comments below inside the school community. So that's it for today. We will meet in another video. Till then, goodbye.